Hi everyone and welcome to our video on chapter 1 of the book Artificial Intelligence: A Modern Approach by Stuart J and Peter Norvig. Let's move to the overview chapter 1. In this chapter, the author introduced the concept of artificial intelligence or AI and provide an overview of the field. They discuss the different subfields of AI such as natural language processing, computer vision and robotics. They explain how AI can be used to solve a wide range of problems. Let's move to the real world applications of AI. For example, one application of AI in the real world is virtual assistant like Siri, Alexa and Google Assistants. These virtual assistants use natural language processing and machine learning to interpret and respond to user requests. Another example is the use of machine learning algorithm to analyze medical data and improve diagnosis and treatment. Let's move to the conclusion. So, in chapter 1, Artificial Intelligence: A Modern Approach, the author lay the foundation of introducing the concept of artificial intelligence and providing an overview of its applications. So, stay tuned for more exciting insights as we dive deeper into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence in future chapters. In the end of the video, thank you for watching the video on chapter 1 Artificial Intelligence: A Modern Approach. I hope you found it informative and stay tuned for more content on AI. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them into the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.